Light is much more than just what lets us see in the dark. Light is all around us wherever we go. What we call light in daily life is just a tiny fraction of what it really is. So then, what is light? Light is both a particle and a wave, sort of a particle and sort of a wave at the same time. And because of this nature, it does what every wave does. Light has a wavelength, a frequency, and a speed. It can also refract and diffract. And as a particle, light is energy carried by photons. As mentioned previously, when we refer to light in daily English, we mean visible light, rainbow colors. But that is just a small piece of a big and continuous puzzle called electromagnetic spectrum. This spectrum is full of all different types of colors, and what differences from one another is just their wavelength. And as an energy-carrying particle, the amount of energy being transported depends on the wavelength too, which means that shorter wavelength light at one end of the spectrum carries more energy than longer wavelength light at the other end of it. But where does it come from? Well, when the electrons in an atom drop from a high energy level to a lower one, they lose energy. And this energy is in the form of electromagnetic radiation, light. You can also create light by making electrons oscillate. This creates a magnetic field with an electric field perpendicular to it, which carry energy through space. Again, this is light. And at which speed is this energy being transferred? Well, surprisingly, at the maximum speed anything can travel through the entire universe, 299,792,458 meters per second. So yes, the light coming from a flashlight, your nightstand, cars, and even moving planes, it will all, from the moment it's created, travel at a constant speed of light. It doesn't have to accelerate or anything. As its name says, it is just a constant. And it has been proven that it will remain constant no matter how fast you're going. So, at the end, light is just a particle which behaves like a wave, flashing through space carrying energy at a constant speed. Part of a very big family called the spectrum. Something that lets us see in the dark, and by it, we can understand the universe around us.
Created using Powtoon.